At time t equals 0, a disk of radius of 1 meter starts to roll without slipping on a horizontal plane with an angular acceleration of alpha. A small stone is stuck to the disk. At t equals 0, it is at the contact point of the disk and the plane. Later, at time t equals pi, the stone detaches itself and flies off tangentially from the disk. The maximum height in meters reached by the stone measured from the plane is 1 by 2 plus x by the value of x is what? So let us solve this question. This is the disk and this is the point where the stone detaches. Okay, so at t equals 0, the disk starts rolling at an acceleration of alpha, that is 2 by 3 radians per second square. Okay, so at point A, the stone detaches itself from the disk. So how will be the projectile motion? So once it detaches, the projectile motion goes like this. Okay, so from this point, this is the plane and this is the time duration, that is pi. Okay, so at duration pi, this stone detaches itself. So let's talk about the rolling case. So we have to find at time t equals pi what is omega, what is v, so that we can go with further calculation. So let's take the rolling case. Omega equals omega naught plus alpha t. Putting the values, alpha is 2 by 3 radians per second, time is pi. Okay, so omega becomes 2 pi by 3. So when omega is 2 pi by 3, what is the value of v? So v equals r omega and the value of r is 1 meter. 1 into 2 pi by 3, that is v equals 2 pi by 3 meters per second. Okay, so this is the value of v at this point. Now we have to find out at what theta the stone detaches itself. So we have to find out the total theta traveled by the disk or the total theta circumscribed when disk rotates, okay, or disk rolls on the surface. Okay, so theta is equal to omega naught t plus half alpha t square. This is the formula. So omega naught t is 0 as it starts at time t equals 0. Omega naught is 0. So initial omega is 0. Putting the values, we get theta equals pi by 3. So it means that, so this is pi by 3. R cos pi by 3. This is r cos pi by 3 means this one. So what is the value of this? Equals, it becomes cos 60 is 1 by 2. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So it becomes r by 2, right? So this distance becomes r by 2. So if this is r by 2, this is r, so it becomes naturally, this becomes r by 2. So now come to this diagram. So this is the circle, right? And this is r by 2. Now considering point this and this is the plane, this stone is thrown at the angle 60 degree. So how this 60 degree is coming, you can see here, this is 60, this is 90, so this is, so basically this is the exterior angle. If this is 60, then it is the exterior angle. So now this is u is 2 pi by 3 as we have already found out. This is the initial velocity, okay, at point A. So we consider this as point A, initial velocity at point A. This is 60, so in the upward direction it will be u sine 60. What is the height? U square sine square theta upon 2g. This is the maximum height which is reached by a stone which is thrown in projectile motion. So u square is becomes 2 by 3, okay.